What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Tim, and we got
Happy Vegan in the house. How's it going?
Brett in the building. And I just got a nice little package from the good people at Tesco, actually. And my main man, Derek Sarno, has been flown over from America and been basically leading the vegan charge for Tesco. And a few years ago, I got paid for a phone call with some company to find out more about veganism and essentially I got an email recently saying thanks for that back then, because the summation of the whole is an hour-long phone call. I got like 100 odd quid for it, and the summation of it, my message to them was, you need to make put vegan items in more accessible places. And obviously the last 2 years since that phone call has seen a massive change, and so Tesco are doing that, like I say, with the help of main man Derek. And so here's Wicked Kitchen, and this is some of the products we got.
And is that Derek's thing? Yeah, Wicked Kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. And then it's like a collaboration.
Carbonara,
Caponata sourdough.
Yeah.
Caponata is like a traditional Sicilian recipe.
Is it?
Yeah, like a coastal thing.
I'm not big on olives, but we can try that. We got a Moroccan bowl, and we got falafel and mushroom. Now I'm actually travelling tomorrow. I don't know when this will go out, but I'm travelling tomorrow, so I'm gonna save a couple of them for my travels.
Yeah, great travel food.
But between us, we can try these. Is there anything? Oh, there's one other thing. We got this.
More over there.
Boom. So we could. These are actually to be microwaved, which I do not have a microwave, and Brett reckons we can just bang them up in a pan.
Yeah, we'll do them in a pan, heat them up, and they'll be absolutely fine like that.
Alright, I'm gonna get this on the go. Which one should I put in first? The Muay Thai curry.
Yeah.
Muay Thai kick to face. So cool to see that whole piece of lotus they put in it.
Yeah.
That's in this supermarket. It's amazing. So now we got the teriyaki noodles.
The Wicked Teriyaki noodles, savoury, sweet, roasted cluster mushrooms with Asian style veg.
Cluster mushrooms. I know Derek likes his mushrooms.
Yeah?
I know Derek likes his mushrooms, so this one should be good. I do like mushrooms as well. But it's gonna cook up fast. Benjamin. So we got a couple bowls. We can have some forks to this if you want. Limited on forks. Oh yeah, so that's Muay Thai. That's teriyaki.
So we're doing some Muay Thai now.
Yeah. Do you wanna go young fudge, or do you wanna
get involved? Fudge.
Yeah. Brett's breaking his fast.
Oh yeah.
Oh mate.
8 o'clock.
What you got on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Dive
get
in.
involved.
Just don't eat all of that lotus flour.
This is the noodle one with the cluster mushrooms.
Yeah.
Sweet teriyaki.
I want to try those mushrooms.
Yeah, man. Get involved.
Yeah. Oh. Not quite heated up.
No, it's a little bit cool.
My favourite broccoli.
It's got spice to it.
Oh, that's good. How you handling that spice? Good.
Yeah, I'm handling it well.
Involved, bro.
Oh, that's good. And that's the teriyaki.
Sounds
Good. Real good. Tender stem broccoli, you got me sold.
I love them mushrooms. There's so much flavour.
That's
He's done a good job.
See, that's mushroom, right?
Big old mouthful. Yeah.
That's a meaty mushroom.
It's tasty.
And fly one in.
Fly me one in.
They didn't send us this, but what's that?
It's Alpro soy vanilla flavour. It's like drinkable custard. There's young fudge you just said right there.
Jeez.
Caponata pizza time, baby.
Who wants my olives?
I will have the olives. I love
Yeah.
olives.
Cool, let's get some plates. Sweet.
Cheers.
Bench.
Thank you.
Alright team, how was that? We tried 4 different items from.
Yeah, Papinata pizza.
Yeah.
What was the other one? The Thai noodle, the noodles.
Muay
with,
Thai
cluster
noodles.
mushrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the sweet.
Oh, yeah.
sauce.
Muay Thai
and
curry.
that Muay Thai curry. With what was that root called?
Lotus flower root, lotus root,
Okay.
yeah.
And what was the other thing?
And there's that
oh, the salad
couscous
thing.
thing.
It's good.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
That one was approved. Tesco recommend that.
Yeah. And did they give you any indication when it was meant to come on the shelves?
Derek messaged me and said it comes out in like 2-3 days, and he said I'm the first person on social media to post it.
Oh,
so.
sweet. Okay.
And I like the logos and stuff in the
Yeah, I
packaging.
do.
So look out for that in Tesco. You see that, and I'm sure that is going to boom in 2018. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thanks, Brett, for
Peace.
editing. I think he's going to.
Yeah, I wouldn't tell Charlie stuff.
Wicked, nice one. Peace out, guys.
Big love.
Bye.
There, gang.